Welcome back to Much More Than Science. Today we are going to start with the sun, moon, and the planets. So, as you know, that planets are very large celestial bodies that revolve around the sun in their fixed circular paths called orbit. All planets rotate or spin about their own axis. They do not give out light of their own. They only reflect the light of the sun they receive. Our solar system comprises 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. And one more interesting thing is that there are two asteroid belts, one between the inner and the outer planets, and one after the outer and the dwarf planets. So, now we would study about the internal structure of the Earth. The Earth is about 4.6 billion years old. It is almost spherical in shape. It is made up of three layers: crust, mantle, and core. The core is further divided into the outer and the inner core. Now, what is the crust? It is the outermost layer of the earth. It is rocky and brittle and broken in. The crust forms continents and ocean floors. The ocean crust is very dense and made up of basalt, whereas continental crust is less dense and made up of granite. It is 5 to 7 km thick under the ocean floor and 10 to 70 km thick under the continent. Then comes mantle. This is the layer below the crust. It is the thickest layer of the earth. It extends to a depth of 2900 kilometers. Its the upper part is made up of solid rocks while lower part consists of molten rocks or magma. The molten rocks or magma comes out on the crust when a volcano erupts. This is composed of iron, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, and silicate compounds. Comes the center of the earth, the core. The, there are two types of cores: the outer and inner core. The outer core is so hot that it is in a molten state. However, it is denser than the mantle. The outer core contains iron and nickel with some sulfur also. The inner core is under such an extreme pressure that despite of the hottest temperature there, it remains solid. It contains iron and nickel also. The outer core is about 2200 km thicker and inner core is about 1200 km thick. Thanks for watching, guys. But in the next video, we would learn about the surface of the moon and the sun.